How to check if your PS5 controller is charging. Let's get started. Today we are going to show you how to check if your PS5 controller is charging. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First off, grab a charging cable and plug the USB in to your PS5. Then take the USB-C in and plug it to your controller. And with that, it is connected. Now if your controller is already connected to the PS5, you won't see any lights indicating charging. But don't worry, we have got a trick for you. If your controller isn't connected when you plug in, it will start glowing orange. That means it's charging. But remember, this only happens when it's not connected to the console. Now to confirm if your controller is charging while connected to the console, simply press the PlayStation button. Navigate to the control center and find the controller icon. Check out the battery indicator. See how it's blinking and the battery level is going up. That means your controller is indeed charging. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your PS5 controller is charging. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.